Morning, reefing peoples. In this tank over here, I've been using this ice cap, the protein skimmer, for years and years and years. In general, it works fine. In practice, it has some issues, and they drive me insane. The one is the way you control the water level in the column is by opening and closing this escape hatch. There's a sliding gate valve there, so the water comes out the back. And this adjustment is too coarse, so one little tick, one little movement like that, and you drastically change the height of the water. So it's either over skimming or under skimming. Now they could fix this easily because the teeth, did you see the gears there? They're too coarse. They're too widely spaced. If you made them a lot smaller, or the spacing a lot smaller, you would take many turns of this to move it. Anyway, that's why I gave up on it, because it's driving me nuts. So about a year ago, I saw this Curve 5, Bubble Magus Curve 5 on sale. I think it's Premium Aquatics. I'm pretty sure it was. And they had it on a good sale, and I bought it. Now, I've been running it almost a year, and I absolutely love it. My maintenance records show that it's due to be cleaned. It doesn't look that dirty, but that's what it says. So let's take it out there and take a look at it.
Okay, we got her out there. It actually is dirtier than I thought it was. One of the things that I really like about this is that you don't need a screwdriver, right? So if you have normal hands, which I do not, you can loosen these, and what holds the top down just swings out right out of the way. So it's easy to do. So the first thing you have to do, you loosen those, you swing them out of the way, but you got to take this out. The venturi just pops into the hole. Once again, if you had normal hands, this would not be a problem. I have arthritis in both hands. I know, boo-hoo. It's got two holes. So for some reason you need it in a different direction in your sump. That makes it really convenient. They give you this plug for the other hole, okay? So once you get that out and you swing your little wiener things out of the way, it just lifts off. Now you can clean this, and here's how you control the height, right? So it's got one of these swing rods, and once I get this clean and set up and running and get it adjusted, which, it takes a few minutes, I don't have to change it until months later, like right now when I clean it. It's that stable. It's the most reproducible the protein skimmer I've ever had. The top thing, even my hands can do this. The diffuser plate, the bubble plate they call it, this comes off. You got to clean that. It's really yucky. And then the only thing left to clean is inside here is the impeller. And once again, if you had normal hands, you wouldn't be screaming like this. And that's it. That's all there is to it. So you brush all this out, clean your impeller, clean your bubble plate. You brush off as much of this muck as you can, and make sure you clean this hole out here too, because this gets really mucky down in there. And that's it. It really is, for the price I paid for it, it really is a nice skimmer. I really like this thing. It is wicked easy to use. Now, this is an AC pump, and you might think, oh, no, it's going to be really loud. It isn't loud. I mean, it's in a fish room, so you don't even notice it in this room. There's a lot going on in here. So what can I say? After 1 year, I highly recommend the Curve 5 by Bubble Magus. Later, dudes.